What are calories? Calories are the unit of energy our body uses. Calories are energy. It's like gas for the car. You can have all the parts, but if you don't put gas in it, it won't run. Calories are the number one thing our body needs to survive. Not getting enough calories, such as in anorexia, is very, very dangerous. Without enough calories to burn, the body starts to burn its own muscle, including the heart muscle, and can cause a person's heart to stop and die. Rapid weight loss is very dangerous. Intake of less than 1,200 calories a day should be under a doctor and nutritionist supervision. For young children, we don't want to focus on weight. We want to teach them to have healthy snacks, read labels, and have active fun. Calories are the number one thing our body needs to survive. But there's so much food in this country. More often we get too many calories than our body needs. Calories are the bottom line for weight control. If you don't understand calories, you don't understand weight control. The key for good health and weight control is to understand the calorie content of food with and without a label, and to know how many calories do I need, so you can make choices that satisfy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.